Hi there. As requested, in this video I'm going to redo the tutorial that I did in class with the offset path technique, and that will show you how to take your text and create like an outer stroke and give it various effects using the appearance panel and the offset path technique. So let's get started. I have some text here, and first thing I'm going to do is change my font to a heavier font. This font is called Bell Bottom Laser, and I got it from dafont.com, a great site where you can go and get tons of font to use in your designs. So I'm choosing this font because it is a heavier, thicker text. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that it is selected, and we want to access our appearance panel over here. If you don't remember which icon is the appearance panel, you can always go to Window, Appearance. I'm going to pull that panel off for a second, because everything we do to this is just going to be just a bunch of effects added through the appearance panel. The first thing I want to do with my text is to change the color. I'm going to choose any color from my fill. And then in the appearance panel, the first thing I'm going to do is add a new stroke. So you click in the little flyout menu, choose Add New Stroke, and you can see that right away it gave it a black 1-point stroke. So you can change the settings as you want. I'm going to perhaps increase my stroke weight to about 2. Change the color to something else. Let's try a nice bright blue. Once you add the stroke through the appearance panel, we want to offset it. In other words, raising the stroke off of the object itself. So our offset path is located in the effects menu, Effect, Path, Offset Path. If you click the preview button, you'll see that it already applies a setting. Right now the offset is set to 10, and I'm just going to bring that down just a little bit. You can adjust it to your liking. I'm going to try about an 8-point and press OK. So now if you take a look in the appearance panel, your offset is there, which means if you want to go back and make changes, all you have to do is click it and you can make the changes right there. The next thing we want to do is eliminate all of these areas of overlap. We're going to do that again through our effects menu. This time we're going to go to Effect, Pathfinder, Add. And you can see how that gives us a really nice raised stroke effect on our text. There's many ways that we can enhance this. Okay, I can go back to my stroke here and increase the weight, make it thicker. I can again also change the color. I'm going to close up these areas, and yes, you can add multiple fills, multiple strokes. So I'm going to add another stroke. And this stroke right here, of course, we're going to change the color. The other areas in here, the fill allows us to add a new fill color, so I can change the fill to anything else of my choosing, including a pattern. A really nice weird pattern in there. Okay, this one is actually pretty nice. I'm kind of digging that. You keep playing around with it. Okay, perhaps this stroke right here, this outer orange one here, if I click on it, I could do a dashed line. I can control my dash length. I can also, if I want the line to remain solid, I can adjust the stroke of the line. Right now it's uniform. I can come here and change it to a variation of thick and thin. So you have all kinds of experimental options for your text using the appearance panel. If you've noticed, I did not outline my text. So this text is still live, which means I can take my type tool and type in something else. So there you have it. That's the appearance panel and the offset path technique. I encourage you to play around with it, experiment with it, and come up with your own great creative solution. Until next time, take care.